The Swift 7 is a result of the Acer continuous evolution that is primarily oriented towards the capture of the latest modern trends with the intention to bring something which is more innovative and attractive at the same time. As you all know, the PC manufacturers are always keen to produce a lighter, thinner and more luxurious laptop, while the 10 Best Ones duty is to present you with such products with more details so you could rate the product or purchase it if you'd like. Today, I'm glad that I have the opportunity to present you the world's thinnest notebook that combines a stunning design with a powerful hardware that will make you more productive than ever. From a design perspective, the Swift 7 measures 12.78 inches in width, 9 inches in depth and 0.39 inches in height. It weighs around 2.48 pounds or 1.12 kilograms respectively, for those who prefer the metric system. These dimensions are very pleasing, and I have to admit that this laptop is not only thin, but it is also incredibly lightweight too. The aluminum case is covered in a gold and black color combination that adds a deeper sense of aesthetics and makes it look premium. So, from the moment you take it out of the box, I'm sure that you will be left speechless. At the back, the more dominant color is the black, while the only exception is a golden Acer logo that is positioned at the center as well as the bottom part. Those who have already purchased the Swift 7 claim that the laptop's case doesn't attract fingerprints at all, which is great in my opinion, since Acer has proven that there could be someone who can create an elegant laptop that would maintain its neat look. The black colored hinges are not only suitable for the Swift color scheme, but they are also very flexible and sturdy at the same time. That's why you can open the lid without putting in any effort, while the hinges are capable enough to ensure that you wouldn't have to worry about their condition, since they won't produce any crank noise even if you've been using the laptop for a couple of years. The connectivities are placed along the right side, and they aren't robust, but enough to provide you with decent connection options. So, you can see 2 USB 3.0 Type-C ports and a headphone and microphone combo jack. I don't really consider this as a disadvantage, due to the fact that this laptop is incredibly slim, so if it had any more, they would add a lot of weight and height to the laptop that would interfere with the unit's minimalistic look. One of the two USB Type-C ports can support display output, data transfers and a power delivery, while the second one shares the same abilities as the first one, except the display output. In addition, the Acer has integrated a 720p webcam, 12 speakers and 2x2 802.11 AC wireless that uses the well-known MU-MIMO technology, which promises up to 3 times better wireless performance than the other common wireless networking standards. When you open the lid, you will immediately notice the laptop surface that is mostly finished in gold, while the only exception is the black colored keyboard and the screen. The keyboard is average in size, while the keys themselves have white letterings and a decent key travel that will allow you to type fast and precisely. However, if you're typing at night, you can still see the keys, but the keyboard isn't backlit. So, I think that the backlight could have been a better option. Hence, it is not a deal breaker for me, because gaming has taught me that it isn't really smart to look at the keys while you are playing. The touchpad is spacious and is positioned slightly below the keyboard at the center. You won't find any keys, which is really cool, since it fits the laptop's minimalistic look. On the top left corner, there is an embedded fingerprint reader that is handy addition because it will protect you from any unauthorized users that would want to harm your files by accessing your laptop. Anyways, the surface is smooth and feels very comfortable to your fingertips. However, if your fingers are sticky or moisty, you may have some troubles with the maneuvering. This is very common with the touchpads though, so if you're eating popcorn or other stuff while watching movies, that would be the only scenario when you would have some trouble. For business and regular use, the touchpad is incredibly accurate and sensitive, so you can swipe around and do plenty of stuff without any problem. The click sound isn't tough either, and you don't have to put in much force in order to have your clicks registered properly. The 13.3-inch IPS LED backlit screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 4, which is an ideal solution for the scratches that could occur due to the everyday's usage. Well, now you will be free from this, and a vivid picture will always be there for you. I will deliver you more information in the following section about the screen and the hardware as well. That's why, let's now start talking about the performance. The Swift's IPS screen has a Full HD resolution or 1920 by 1080 in terms of pixels, and uses the Acer Color Intelligence technology, which means that it will optimize the screen saturation, color, and brightness in real time. In addition, the IPS technology, as you know, offers vibrant and accurate colors even if you view it from wide viewing angles, so for the screen I can't find any remarks. The hardware is composed of an Intel Core i7-7Y75 processor, Intel HD graphics 615, 8GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, which will definitely increase your productivity to a whole new level. Thanks to the powerful hardware, you can have multiple tabs and applications running at the same time, without noticing any decrease in the performance. The 512GB SSD will guarantee you a fast loading time and a fast performance. However, the CPU is not most suitable for video editing, so if you're a video editor, you won't benefit much from it. For everything else, such as working with spreadsheets and documents, you would be more than satisfied, due to the fact that this laptop is oriented toward business use. Overall, I suggest you consider the Swift 7 as your next purchase, mainly because of its performance and its wonderful appeal that is definitely one of a kind. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the Acer Swift 7, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.